channel, like, comment, and share. We are live in FCT Abuja for Nnamdi Kanu court case today. As we were informed that a group of lawyers and soldiers from United States of America just arrived in Nigeria. So here with me is MC Domeka. MC Domeka, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, it's news reaching us right now that Nnamdi Kanu just arrived the court now. Let me have your reaction. Do you think that today's case is going to be a serious case that Justice Omotosho will give fair judgment to Nnamdi Kanu today?
Of course, where many Biafrans might not really put hope on the Justice Omotosho to give adequate judgment to Nnamdi Kanu. He have said that he just want to hear the cause today. But what we are hopeful, what we believe that Nnamdi Kanu, the most intelligent man on earth, as we know, is still going to school Justice Omotosho today, because many justices who are involved, who are like Justice Yanku, you have seen it on the several videos where Nnamdi Kanu has schooled him. Many of them, maybe because of his intelligence, that make many of them to resign and say they are no more interested in the case. So the case of Justice Omotosho will not be different. If the case is not taken, Nnamdi Kanu will also school him today. Don't forget that before today, Nnamdi Kanu told his lawyers that he want to face Omotosho one-on-one. He don't want any lawyer to represent him. And so today, people are saying reportedly that Omotosho is in panic mode now because, of course, you will know the magnitude of the intelligence of Nnamdi Kanu is ready to face Omotosho. And don't forget that Nnamdi Kanu is not a small fish. As I speak to you now, all the whole world, they are on social media to see what is going to happen in court. But you can see what our judiciary has done under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that the judiciary and the legislation are now in the pocket of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Wherever he directs them to is where they go. We are afraid during the time of Buhari that Buhari time is worse. But as I speak to you now, we are not more in democracy, we are in dictatorship, because whoever Bola Ahmed Tinubu choose for judgment and we can they get their favor. So I'm afraid, because they might likely send their Nnamdi Kanu to jail, because as it is now, we don't more have confidence in our judiciary.
All right, MC Domeka, you still don't have confidence in our judiciary now. It is also reported that Donald Trump sent a group of lawyers and United States of America Army to Nigeria in order for them to spy the judgment of Nnamdi Kanu. Do you think what Donald Trump do is a good thing? At the same time, do you think this very group of lawyers that they sent to Nigeria will take a good report back to Donald Trump?
Yes, I've told you people before that Donald Trump have interest in Nigeria, in Biafra, because as I speak now, information available to me that Benjamin Netanyahu put the rest of them, they are ally of President Donald Trump. They are advising Donald Trump that, you know what, the easiest way you can depopulate the black from America is to support Biafra, so that Biafra will be on their own nation. You can know that many Biafrans live in United States who are wealthy, who have money to come home, to come and invest, to help their people. But because of the way Nigerians are doing things, they don't longer believe in Nigeria. They don't longer have the interest to come and invest in Nigeria. And if Biafra today come have their sovereignty as Nnamdi Kanu is pursuing, I can definitely tell you that the blacks will reduce in America. And that is what Trump, the Trump interest, because a lot of people will tell you that this propaganda that Trump does not have interest in Biafra. Trump have interest in Biafra because it's the only way for Trump to depopulate the black in United States of America.
All right, MC Domeka, thank you for speaking in this amazing platform. It's a very fine place to live in. But viewers, please, once you come across this very channel, this channel's news center, please like, comment, and share. Thank you, MC Domeka.
No here. Yeah, just speaking. Eh?
All right, yeah, this channel's news center here with me is Mr. Olajide. Mr. Olajide, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Casey.
Yes, Mr. Olajide. Information reaches us now that Nnamdi Kanu has arrived the court today, the court hearing today. Now, I want to ask you this very wonderful question, Mr. Olajide. Do you believe in Nigeria judiciary, and do you believe that Justice Omotosho will give a fair judgment to Nnamdi Kanu?
Mr. Casey, I told you of something about this whole matter. If you remember, take confidence of what I've been saying about this matter. I told you, judiciary is an independent arm of the government. there's no expect to be pocketed or be eroded by anybody or be compromised by anybody. They have their it's one of the imperial arm of government that have their checks and balances and authority. There is supposed to be nobody should be guiding them. You get my point? So anybody who has taken oath of office to dispense justice must be seen to have done that, must be seen doing this, without anybody guiding him, anybody pocketing him and giving him instruction, do this, do that. But the reverse has always been the case. But don't forget, but there's always interest in everything. Even in United States of America, I remember Donald Trump case as Supreme Court. I listened to a lot of comment that because some of the judges that determined that case were appointed by Republican government, it went the way of Trump. That means there's always interest. No matter how we talk about this, but it must be played down. It must be so played down that it should not be seen, not be visible. And when we do our own here is that it is so visible that it's so controllable that so thing is being controlled. If it's not guided, I mean, they're ruled by one influenced by one person somewhere. So I expect Justice Omotosho to play by the rules of the game. He took over office to defend justice to everybody. Let him not listen to any side talks, distraction, influence, instruction, commandment, everything you name, you can call it from any quarter. Let him stand by the oath of office of justice he has sworn to administer to everybody that comes before him for the education for justice. That's for Mr. Omotosho. Then Kanu himself, like I told you then, I said Kanu himself, his legal team should be on the lookout to see is this trial, is it failure or compromise? Is it being tilted towards a particular agenda? The moment they have a clear evidence it's already happening, they should raise objection to it and bring it to the fore to know what to see. Why so thing? These are suspects, these are suspicion, these are observation, and let them come and address this and let their fears that no, and explain it to us so that all will get the fact of what's happening. They should not sleep on their rights. They should be at alert and make sure that their interest is not mortgaged. They are given justice. They are not persecuted. Of course they are persecuted anyway, but not persecuted. They should be allowed to say their case, and the trial process must not be tailored with compromise with Operation Co. Let Kanu's team, I'm talking Kanu's team now, observe that, and at the same time they observe that something is not going on well, that the justice is not going to be dispersed to them. They should raise up their voice and let's say the whole world, so that the whole world will know that what's going on. But I hope the Omotosho will live by the example or the oath of office he has taken to administer justice to everybody and without being compromised by anybody. I hope so, and so that if he does that, God himself will, his conscience as well, will clear him that he will not face enjoyment from God Almighty, and his conscience will be free that I've defended justice without fear and favor. I've defended judgment to.
Okay, what will you say? Because it is also reported that a lawyer and an army officer, for that matter, from United States of America just arrived because of this very court hearing today. Will you say it's a good thing? The lawyer is from Igbo extraction, but is a citizen of United States of America, or he just arrived in Nigeria because of this Nnamdi Kanu case?
Okay, Igbo extraction, Igbo extraction of Nigeria, based in here. You see, when we are talking of justice is not said to be done. It's see and ensure that it's actually dispensed and done. Maybe with this now, the trial judge will put on the alert so that it's not only being viewed here. Right. Yes, all over the world it's being viewed now. Unlike if they are giving instruction, if at all there is any instruction from anybody, very good. I think it will be more sensible now, more careful, not to ruin his career. Be careful what he do. There's always interest everywhere. But if there's going to be any interest at all, it will be so plain so that the other person will not be known. Whereas I'm not even expecting that to happen. Rather, I expect him to dispense justice without fear of favor. With those people coming out to come and inspect the trial, it's a good development. that our judiciary will now know that. As I encourage that, I encourage more of that to come to our judiciary, even our electoral panel, our electoral panel, what is the panel or tribunal, our electoral tribunal. I also expect Nigerian lawyers all over the world to come to the courtroom and come and view that one will happen. Because if we ever find that one, you know, because that the interest in that one is so heavy. They will say they are not registered
according to spy.
No. But I encourage this. Let's put our judges on their toes. That yes, people are now their judicial system is no longer as at our country any longer. People of different interest group are ready to monitor and take them up. No, take it up globally. So that until they will that's one way God will save us from these people who have captured Nigeria, who have pocketed every decision so that the wins and capitals. By the time the judiciary is free from their hands now, they know that they can no longer have their way in the judiciary. Mr. Casey, maybe that's where our salvation is coming from. Maybe that's where God wants to begin to save us. So that they know this is no longer in their hands. In the US, you know that now. Institutions work. Trump is still facing trial. Even his president, even though he's suspended. Because the institution is stronger than the individual. Maybe that's the beginning to build an institution. I pray let's it be so. So that as time goes on, anytime you have a case, because you can sit back and have a confidence that the judge will respect justice.
All right, Mr. Olaji, there is a very fine place to live it. Thank you for speaking with us. This is News Channel Center. Hi, Evangelist Ben. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, friend evangelist.
All right.
Good morning, the viewers.
Viewers all over the world, this is Channel's News Center. Here with me is the Biafra Evangelist Benjamin S.S. Sinachi. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Now we are live here in the street reporting concerning what is going on today in court. Nnamdi Kanu just arrived the court now. But let me ask you, Biafra Evangelist, what do you think will happen today in court?
I'm not expecting anything more than what we have been saying. Is there any news? Or maybe probably as a result of the external viewers that will be present today. Maybe our judiciary will now have independence.
Don't you think that today everybody, the justice, is going to sit tight because of the external judges, the external lawyers, the U.S. Army, the U.S. lawyers that arrive in Nigeria because of this very case?
Maybe because of them, we will now have judicial independence.
But don't you have faith in Nigeria judiciary?
Apart from that, no Nigerian citizen has faith in Nigerian judiciary.
Don't you trust Justice Omotosho?
How can I trust him? Is he not one of them? And moreover, coming the axis on Wike, don't you see the crisis that Wike is bringing in River State, partnership of Tinubu? So how can I have confidence in Omotosho? All of them are better of the same feather, and moreover, part of the judiciary. We have no faith in them. They are the cause of what is happening, affecting this country.
Because I think Nnamdi Kanu is riding to the path of freedom now. Now that Justice Omotosho have taken over the case, he being in charge of the case now, I believe he's going to give a fair judgment to that very case. And I also believe now that the lawyers and army from United States of America arrived in Nigeria, because of this very case, I believe everybody is going to sit down tight and everybody going to make sure that they did not do things contrary to the will or the will of the masses, and how justice should be done. Because of Donald Trump will not take it lightly with them.
Listen and listen good. I've said it before, and I'm still saying it again. No hope in Nigerian judiciary, except any day they decide to have independence. And let me tell you this, for your own information, except if Jesus Christ visited him overnight, and he now want to lose his relationship, cordial relationship with some persons like Wike, that is his master, and the Tinubu as a Yoruba president. That is when you will see fairness or truth. Or the presence of the international people will play in him or against their own partial and biased system of judging. You understand? That is the only way, or he himself have decided that is to put the hammer on the head of the nail by following the law the way it should. And for him to follow the law the way he should as well prepare to step on people's toes. You get it? He must prepare to step on people's toes and prepare to face the consequences. Because if he becomes too fair or over fair to this matter today, in order to clarify the world and Nigeria, even to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu himself, that now actually Nigeria is holding him illegal, that the way of which they are keeping him there was illegal, that they should free him. There is every tendency of him not handling another case again. Because that is Nigerian culture. If you want to partner, you want to continue to excel and to as well feed your family and rise to the top, you must partner with the criminals. And that has been the system of Nigeria. Don't you see what is happening in Rivers State? You are not ready to partner with the criminals. Criminals will criminalize you. How can a whole president take side of one person? You know, and that is, I am happy that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case is not a Nigerian case any longer. It has attracted international bodies, whether the British like it or not, whether the French people like it or not. They must sit there and watch it. They will not stop Donald Trump from watching it again. They will not stop Putin from watching it again. They will not stop Netanyahu from watching it again. It will not be a case of one room decision whereby the press people will not be allowed or given room to come in to observe or to carry out the evil meetings, their criminal meetings. It is now something of all over the world, even in your house. You want to watch it, you subscribe to it, you will get it, and you will hear it. And I thank God that somebody like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a big fish. You cannot pocket him, neither can you silence him. If you go to the angle that does not suit him, he will voice out. He will air his opinion, and he will as well correct you. And if you insist, he will mess you up because he will use the law to mess you up. And I am happy that somebody of that is the one standing, fighting for this freedom of a thing. Okay? So, in continuity of what I am saying, today is going to be a very big day and a big deal. One, fear will play. Threats will go on. And another thing, shaking will be part of it. And don't be surprised if one of them in the court today start to chew mouth, you know, So don't be surprised because tension is high. And you should expect that today.
All right, Evangelist Benjamin Ezesinachi is a very fine place to live in. The only evangelist that speaks the truth and ready to end by the truth. Thank you. It's a very fine place to live in.
God bless you.
All right, viewers all over the world, this Channels News Center. This Channels News Center, here with me is Captain Jack, the Owazorike one of Ogba. Now let me have your reaction. Today is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu just arrived in court right now. So let me hear your view concerning what do you think will happen today.
Well, good morning, my name is Captain Jack was the crown of Ogba. Now, today is for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case and for the first hearing. You know, you cannot expect things either for him release because, number one, the judge goes to monitor the case first. before they can pursue it. So they can say, but I know that the case goes to go to adjournment. So no one will come here and say today they're going to release it. No, it is first hearing. But what I want to say, let Nnamdi Kanu do not bring himself as a lawyer. Let him leave the case for the lawyers to take on.
But Nnamdi Kanu said that he's going to stand and defend himself. Like his own legal counsel are not doing the work that he's paying them for. So he's ready to stand and defend himself.
No, I haven't seen someone who will stand to defend himself because he have already been a lawyer out. And the lawyer are inside the court premises. And this type of thing should not repeat for the past judge. Let him not try it.
So what if the judge is not doing anyway, he's not treating his case well? So would you expect Nnamdi Kanu to react if the judge is not being fair to him?
This is the first hearing from this judge. So he's supposed to allow his lawyer to go first before you come out. So now that means he's taking that law by himself. And now he said people from the US came to Nigeria to witness it.
Yes, a group of lawyers from United States of America and also United States of America Army just arrived in Nigeria for this very case. Now, and they're likely to also take report back to the President of the United States of America, Donald Trump. And they also threatened to petition Nigeria in case this very case go otherwise.
Well, that's something I am like people to prove. Said Trump, send them. I will not take it. It is not him. Let us say ourselves the truth. Donald Trump has something that he's facing in America, not in Biafra. Not for him to be sending people from that to here. This is the people who have the interest to come to Nnamdi Kanu case, not Donald Trump. Let us not put that man. Let it be accepted. And
don't you think that if Nigeria is not under this very case, where that we're going to get international community reaction? You understand what I'm saying? That if Nigeria is not being careful with this very case of Nnamdi Kanu, the international community might have a personal interest in this very judgment. Because as I'm speaking to you, Nnamdi Kanu is a citizen of United Kingdom, so they have interest in this very case. And as I'm also speaking to you, it is also reported that the way that Nnamdi Kanu was brought into Nigeria from Kenya was a kind of a way of kidnapping him all the way from Kenya down here to Nigeria. So international community we also want to have interest, because when happen to be a case of human rights violation, the international community does not take it lightly.
You know what? Where people say Nnamdi Kanu is a citizen of Britain. In 2015, they hold him. What is the Britain did? Did they come here to release him? Did they come here to interfere with his case? Now, why people are bringing this citizen of United Kingdom? Look, let us say, Nigerians haven't, the lawyers, they haven't gone to the case of Nnamdi Kanu. They haven't said, this is what Nnamdi Kanu commits. Maybe it is this present time we will hear, okay, you said something like this. And this is first hearing. So first hearing, a lot of things goes to come out before. So I cannot tell you, sir, the good news will come out today or the bad news will come out today. This is first hearing. We have to go to first before second.
All right, Captain Jack, I think it's a very fine place to leave you. Thank you for speaking with us today. So viewers all over the world, this channel's news center, please, if you come across this very channel, like, share and comment. We are going to end this very live right now until tomorrow. We'll continue, but we'll keep on updating you on the current situation that is going on in court concerning Nnamdi Kanu case.
Yeah, man.
Is it in